Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get FC Mobile 2025 mod menu for iOS and Android. All features included, unlimited gold, gems, FIFA points. As you can see, it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight to the video. This is super insane, guys. So what you want to do is just go ahead and go to your browser and go to the website hexmods.com. This site has a ton of modded apps. So just go to the search, type in FC, and you're going to see the FC Mobile 25. So press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start to download the mod, guys. So let's just give it a second here to go ahead and download. So yeah, it's pretty fast, and this is the modded version, as you guys saw. Now before you can actually download it, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. This is just where you have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're from the App Store and they're completely free. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps. Now the problem is people will delete the apps, they won't read the so you need to read and complete the instructions. So Alibaba, download and run for 30 seconds. Riddle, download and install, earn 5k coins. Swagbucks, install, open, and complete 2 games. So anyway, when you're ready to do your app, just press tap to install, and it's going to bring you to the Play Store or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and you just download it and you're done, guys. So make sure you read the instructions to complete the apps, and then you will get the FC Mobile 2025 version, guys. All locked, unlimited FIFA points, gold, gems, it's all here, guys. So all you have to do is do that verification, guys. It's very easy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, just do the verification right here. As you can see, the mod installer step, very important that you guys do this. So yeah, once you do that, guys, you should be good to go. Like, it is so weird to me that people are hating and stuff, but like, this actually works. It's super insane. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys, if you like FC Mobile, because this is so crazy. Just do the verification, you're gonna be good to go.